Your visual identity is the colors, shapes, icons, textures, the things that you use to establish yourself, that emotional, intangible aspects of your brand. So, what I usually do is I ask clients to describe their brand or their book, their product or service in about 5 adjectives. You know, are they professional? Are they antique? Are they fun? Are they whimsical? Are they serious? You know, those kinds of things. And through that, sort of the creative process comes in where you find fonts, colors, shapes, sizes that help emulate that visual identity. And there's a lot of things, you know, colors always mean certain things. Fonts allude certain types of emotions. So through that process of finding some key terms that describe your product and using kind of the rules of design and art and creativity, you can kind of find something emerge of where you can establish that visual identity.
Thank you for listening. Please review our other available content for help writing, publishing, and marketing your book. If you have any questions about the Author Learning Center, please contact us by email at authorsupport@authorlearningcenter.com.